gonna take a look at the 10 reasons why your ads are not working. There is a guy on Reddit who laid out 10 reasons which he believes your ads are not working because of. That was a sentence. So I'm gonna read you the reasons, I'm gonna comment on the reasons, and hopefully you're gonna learn something. Hopefully you're gonna figure out how to fix your Facebook ads. Now let's get started. Reasons why your ads are not working. So far, I've been contacted by 28 people from this sub, and I've reviewed the ad accounts of 21 of them. The common complaints are Meta isn't working, CPMs are too high, or they're not getting conversions or leads. Every time after just a quick glance at their ad account, it's clear to me that the campaigns were never set up to succeed at the first place. Here are some of the key issues I've observed. The first reason why your ads are not working is overly detailed targeting without understanding how it actually works. Here, I kind of agree with this guy. If you overcomplicate your targeting, if you're doing like the ninja stuff, probably won't work for you because the CPM will go very, very high. I have a method with which I can target specific groups and pages, but by overly detailed targeting, I'm not sure what he understands. This will be targeting audiences of less than 25,000 people. This will be overly detailed targeting in my experience. What I believe to be working better is giving the algorithm a little bit more space to work. There was the notion and the idea of laser targeting, which works, but the laser targeting isn't set way too much within the Facebook ads dashboard. You can call out the audience in your ad copy. So overly detailed targeting could be one of the reasons why your ads are not working. And this guy gives the example of not everyone who owns an iPhone is wealthy, and no people staying at luxury resorts aren't automatically interested in your beauty product. Lack of broad targeting to let Meta's algorithm do its job. Yeah, sometimes Meta is good to target your perfect customers, but to do that, you need to have some data. If your ad account has less than, let's say, 500 events triggered, you could start with interest targeting, then you can scale up to lookalikes, and after that, you can do Advantage Plus or broad targeting. Broad targeting works, interest targeting works, lookalike audience work. They all work if you have a good offer and a good funnel. Uh, Mistake number 3, excessive reliance on Advantage Plus without realizing it's meant to be a full funnel campaign. Oh, yeah, Advantage Plus campaigns, they work. Um, Not always. I have mixed feelings about those Advantage Plus campaigns. I'm not sure why Facebook introduced Advantage Plus campaigns. It seemed like the platform is getting very complicated, right? You have the copy integration, you have Advantage Plus, you have Audience Plus. Now you have AI features built in to Facebook ads. So I believe Advantage Plus campaigns could work, but right now I'm getting better results with um, just the basic targeting, the original targeting. So I think I made a video about it where I compared Advantage Plus. I feel like the other campaigns, the manual campaigns, work longer, and here with Advantage Plus, I have a great start, and then my ads die within a few weeks. So this is something that you need to take in consideration. But test Advantage Plus because Advantage Plus might work for you. Yeah. So, and this guy said this is like a full funnel campaign. I'm not sure what this means by a full funnel. I'm not sure if he says that there is a remarketing as well built into the Advantage Plus campaign. So I'm not sure what he means. No clear audience definition within the ad settings. I don't understand this one. I won't comment on it. Maybe if it speaks to you, maybe implement it. but I don't know what he says. Failing to exclude past purchases in new campaigns. Usually, I don't like excluding past purchases in campaigns because there is a saying, a buyer is a buyer. So people who bought from you once, there is a higher chance they buy from you again if you have a lot of products. So I would never expand past purchasers. I think it's it's not the best thing you could do. So I don't think you're gonna save up a lot of money if you exclude them, because let's say if your past purchases are like 10,000 people for the last 180 days, right? So this is the audience that you want to reach, and it's gonna be smaller because this audience won't be uh, included with the pixel. Those purchases won't be tracked. So I wouldn't bother excluding my past purchases. I don't think it's relevant anymore, right? Impatience, not giving campaigns enough time to learn or breathe before switching them off. Again, I believe impatience is also a reason why your campaigns are not working. However, another thing I would like to point out, it depends on the budget. It depends on the budget. It depends on the CPA. But I believe impatience is a huge, huge mistake a lot of people make. Turning off the campaign way too early, switching the campaign uh, way too late. So impatience. You need to be patient. Maybe use a higher time frame on which you optimize. Right now, if I do 3 days or 4 days, this period for me seems very very low. So I like to make decisions based on 7 day time frame. Right. Mistake number 7: constantly tweaking campaigns too early and too often. Everybody who runs Facebook ads is guilty of that. I believe this is like one of the best reasons why your campaigns drop off. You're touching them, you're tweaking the campaigns. So the rule here, if something is working, don't touch it. This is the golden rule. If something is not working, turn it off. If you could leave this video with just this simple rule, you'll be good to go. Using your own ads to measure success without considering if you're even the target customer. Okay, I'm not sure what he means. Um, Maybe before creating the ads, you think those ads will work or they will not work. I don't understand it. Uh, Mistake number 9 is no proper pixel or copy setup for accurate tracking. Even if you have the pixel and the copy setup, you might still not be tracking conversions properly. So in many cases, you should test third-party tracking tools such as Hyros, right? One of the most popular on the market is Hyros, best at tracking attribution software. Another one is RedTrack. It's not RedTrack List, it's RedTrack, RedTrack.io. You can also test TripleWell. It integrates with WooCommerce, so I believe it's a good feature. So something to consider about no proper pixel or copy setup. Make sure those are properly set up because you won't make good decisions, especially if you're spending more than, let's say, $200, $300, $400 on ads per day. So maybe if you're above 1K per day, invest in third-party tracking. Mistake number 10: neglecting creative testing or not paying enough attention to quality or creatives. Creative testing is important. It takes a lot of time and effort. I believe creative testing in some cases is overrated, but I believe you should test new ads, new ad copy, new images, new videos, and just constantly try to improve your Facebook ads game. And this guy says, and the worst part, many don't realize that if you can't manage ads yourself, it's crucial to hire someone who knows what they're doing. Here, I would say you need to understand how ads work, right? If you're completely like out of the blue, if you just think like you're gonna invest like $100 on ads and you're become a millionaire, this won't be the case. This won't be the case. So no matter who you are, if you run a business like e-commerce, info business agency, whatever, take some time to understand how Facebook ads work. Maybe subscribe to my channel, maybe watch some of my videos, see what I'm talking about, and just you need to have an understanding of how ads work. Because if you hire people, in many cases, they don't know what they're doing. So you need to be able to open their account and see, oh, this is working, this is not working, you need to change that, etc. And this guy says, it's not that I don't agree, but here a story. A company paid almost $500,000 for a period of 2 years to one of the biggest Facebook ads agency in North America. They didn't produce a single dollar in 2 years. Apparently, the agency kept changing the reports, cherry picking whatever they wanted, and because no one in the company had any idea of how any of this works, they needed almost 2 years to realize the problem. Then they hired a random guy with literally zero experience, but some background in web development. And this guy tripled the agency numbers in less than 6 months. So, like any other field, when I hear trust a professional, I always have mixed feelings. And I know and I see what is this guy saying. Pretty much right now, everybody is a guru, everybody is an expert. Pretty much everybody who has a phone and a camera and a microphone is on YouTube. So maybe it's something that you need to think about. However, yeah, my advice of like understanding how advertising campaigns work would be very, very beneficial if you run any kind of business, right? Because if you think about it, even like Apple is advertising on Google Ads. Apple spends crazy money on Google Ads. And there are like a bunch of examples of huge companies that spend money on social media ads, right? Normally, the flashiest, biggest agencies are the worst. If they're selling you the idea of we need a better photo shoot, let's make this video campaign with all these photo shoots, hire the top Twitch streamer in the city, they do not know what they're doing. Yeah, I believe like the bigger the agency, people you're talking about, they're far away from the service you're getting offered, right? Right now, I work with clients. I have maybe like 5 or 6 clients. I run an agency, but maybe like more of like freelancer slash agency model. I have a few contractors helping me. So at the very end, my clients work with me, right? I communicate with all my clients, all the promises I give my clients. I have to um I have to deliver on them, right? Because it's not like I'm communicating with 20 people. It's not like I'm charging like crazy amounts of money. We spent $1 on ads, and if we don't return $2 or $3 back, I won't be keeping the client. So this is the idea behind like working with like smaller agency, smaller freelancers, etc., or even like hiring people within your team to manage your ads. I've said it before and I'm gonna say it again. Finding people to manage your ads is not easy. Running Facebook ads is not an easy task. There are a lot of skills for a person to develop to be good with Facebook ads. So be very, very careful of who you're hiring. Um and yeah, this guy says in our experience, everything failure boils down to 4 reasons. People don't understand the fundamentals of marketing: UPS, budgeting, audiences, ad copy, pain points, offers, competitors, customers. Reason number 2 why people cannot make their ads work: people have unrealistic expectation, wanting 5x ROI in 30 days and then reinvest all the money. Bro, if you can do this, you're Jeff Bezos in the next 12 months. Yeah, like even Jeff Bezos, even like Amazon, I think was losing money for 20 years. So you might double check on that. Another thing, people have cheap, weird, complicated funnels where they can even get 3 to 5% click through rate, but then they all drop off later in the funnel. Yeah, low budget. You can expect to do proper testing with 2-3K monthly budget. I mean, you can expect the testing phase to last 6 months, which then comes to impatience part. I believe like reason number 1 is like the most common. People don't understand the fundamentals of marketing, USP, budgeting, audience, ad copy, pain point, offers, competitor, customer avatars. And I think there was like a really good book from Dan Kennedy. I'm gonna type Dan Kennedy marketing. And let me find the book. If I go to books, Derek Marketing, the ultimate combo. I'm not sure which was the book. I'm not sure. I don't think it's here. The Ultimate Sales Letter is a very good book, and the Ultimate Marketing Plan. I think this is the book that you need to read to understand basic marketing fundamentals. Find Dan Kennedy, The Ultimate Marketing Plan. This is the book, and I believe it's gonna give you a lot of ideas on marketing fundamentals. This was the video for today. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.